Hello everybody. I am a student, 12th standard student studying under the State Board of Goa. As we can see, everywhere news are flashing that Goa will be holding the exams. All the national media are also been discussing on this matter. As we can see, Goa is still battling with COVID. Goa is still not COVID free state. Everybody are still not vaccinated in Goa. We are getting 1300 to 1500 cases every day. There is no reduce in cases. Even the positivity rate is from 35% to 37%. There are no changes in that also. Past 2-3 weeks, the positivity rate is the same. Even the deaths, we are still getting deaths in Goa, around 37 deaths, 35 deaths. Everybody are worried for their lives, especially the students caring for their families. If they go to write the exams in the offline mode, they will be affected by this virus. Even after following the SOPs, many of them will be affected. And not only them, with them, even their family members will be affected. It's a humble request to the government to please postpone the exams till all the students are vaccinated and then take the exams, or else you can take it in the online mode, or please, for the least, you all can cancel the exams. That's the only demand from us. As you can see, the 10th standard students exams are cancelled because you value for their lives, you care for them. But what about 12th standard students? Even we also have lives. Why are you all risking our lives? If it is for the 10th, why not for the 12th? Please, as Goa being a small state, getting 35% is not a small is amount. It's not a joke. Right now, there are known people dying every day. Right now, we don't want exams to be conducted. Our only demand is to vaccinate all the students and then conduct the exams like the NSUI is demanded, and all the students stand for this demand. I myself as a student am worried not only for my family and myself, for all the students and their family. The entire student community is talking about dropping this year if these exams are held. The students are planning not to answer the exams. So please, it's a humble request to the Goa government to please take the necessary step, keeping in consideration the lives of the students and their families, and to please break the COVID 19 chain, not to give another chance to build another new chain for this COVID. As we are incoming and getting the third wave cases, and as the expert doctors have said, the second wave and the new wave, the third wave, are being affected only by the younger students of the age less than 20. Please, keeping the students' lives in consideration, it's a humble request from me, from the student community, and from the NSUI to please cancel the exams, postpone till all the students are vaccinated, or take it online if they are so important for our career. Please, it's a humble request. Thank you.
I am 12 board student of Goa board. Today I saw in a national news that Goa board is ready to take an examination in a national meeting of a student. The Goa is ready for take the Goa is telling that Goa is ready to take the examination, but we are the student of 12 Goa board is opposing to take the examination. Every day constant death 39 deaths are there in Goa, and also the 35 positive rates every day in Goa. we student and our parents and also the NICY team is not ready, not with the Goa board, not with us, our CM to take the examination. We are opposing to take the examination. We are ready to take the examination, but after the COVID get to normal, now it is not a normal case. Now 35 COVID rate and 39 deaths every day. 35% COVID rate and 39 deaths every day. How Goa can take an examination? We are opposing to take the examination. All Goa students. Some of the parents are telling to drop the examination for this year. We are not ready. Goa is not ready to take the examination. Goa want to cancel our examination, take the examination online or postpone the examination. You take your decision. But we, Goa student and parents, parents also not ready to send the Goa board student to write an examination, and also we students are not ready. Why? 10 Goa board cancel the 10 examination. They can get COVID. We can't get COVID. We are also the student. We are also the young youth. We demand to cancel the examination or postpone the examination or vaccinate each and everyone. Then take an examination. We are not fearing of taking the examination. We are ready to answer the examination, but this is not a right time to take an examination. We oppose to take an examination. We strongly demand to cancel the examination or postpone or do vaccination drive, full vaccination drive to the student, then take an examination. We don't have any problem.